Hello everyone, in this video we will see how to get a free battle pass for your favorite game. It can work on Apex or Fortnite, it doesn't really matter. Like this video and subscribe if you like this content and you want to see more. Okay guys, first of all, before we get into this, I can actually tell you that if you don't want to watch this video but you want to read it, you can actually go in the video description and you can check my website, because I wrote about this on my blog. And don't worry if you are not Italian, obviously you can translate this website any language you want. If there is not your language, tell me and I will add it, okay? There is English, French, German, Italian, and don't ask me why, okay? I thought it was funny to add Latin for my website. Russian and Spanish, okay? So there is no reason to not get deeper into this, okay? If you want a better explanation, I don't know, you can always go check my blog if you want. Okay, let's get into this. Fruitlab is a website that basically pays its users to watch and upload clips of their favorite games. Okay, so basically, how does this work? It looks too easy, right? It's because it is, to be honest, but I'll show you how this works, okay? Why does Fruitlab pay you to watch videos? Because they obviously have advertisement on videos, okay? So if you go on a video, now we will open actually a Fortnite video, okay? Okay, before the video starts, we will see an advertisement. In this case, it's a Fruitlab advertisement. And then there is the gameplay of the person who uploaded it, okay? Now, how does this work? Once you watch the video, you will get experience points. Those experience points, once a week, exactly on Monday, they will be converted in pips, okay? Pips are the currency that can be used to buy stuff in the shop. Now, basically what you buy in the shop, in this case if you are watching this video, is to get a free battle pass, okay? So in the shop you have to look for Apex coins or Fortnite V-Bucks, okay? And once you get enough of these pips, you can actually go and buy. But let's get on how to earn pips, okay? So the first way to earn, the easiest way to earn pips is by watching videos, but it's also the slowest, because you only get pips every Monday, okay? You don't get it, you don't get them by watching the video right away. You watch the video, then you get XPs. When you get XPs on Monday, you will get your pips, okay? So the more you watch videos, the more pips you will have, okay? Keep this in mind. The second way to earn pips is by uploading videos, okay? And this is different because you don't earn XPs. I mean, you also earn like 200 XPs each video you upload, I think. I'm not really sure, but that doesn't matter, because the most important thing when uploading videos is that you get directly paid in pips for videos, okay? For instance, this morning I uploaded this video and I got 256 views, okay? And I earned 122 pips, okay? So these ones are not like when you watch videos. These ones are direct. You get them in your pockets directly, no waiting, okay? So if you want to get your battle pass faster, I'd suggest you to upload videos, because if you only watch videos it will take you a long time to get enough peeps to buy your battle pass. Okay, so the third way, okay, I'll try to edit this video and add you a screen share of my cell phone, because the third way of earning peeps is by using the mobile version of Fruitlab. Now, in the mobile version of Fruitlab, you can get bonuses, okay, so extra stuff. If you log in to the app, you will get this icon, okay. If you click on this icon on your mobile application, you will actually get it depends on the day, okay, it depends on the day you're on, but you have like basically you have a XP bonus and a peeps bonus. When you click the XP bonus, you will get like 1000 XP. This is all numbers randomly spoken, okay, this is not 100% correct, because it depends on your XP streak, okay. So each day you log in to your apps is one day, one streak, okay. So I am currently on 106, so it was like 106 days without losing the streak. Once you log into this screen, you have on the part on top, you will have the XP bonuses that you get more XPs. So the more you XPs you get on Monday, the more you peeps you get. This is, take it as a rule, okay. Then you will get more direct peeps, okay. So you don't have to wait, you don't have to do anything, you only have to click on the bonus. I will try to screen record my cell phone to show you this. And once you get the peeps bonus, you will directly get your peeps, okay. So that is easy. So one last way to earn peeps is actually play games, because this website, guys, is not just a farming website. This website is for gamers. If you are a gamer, you like to play video games, you can actually go in the arcade section of the website and you can actually challenge people in games to earn peeps, okay. You can earn XPs, you can head to head someone, that means that you can actually challenge them and you can earn peeps, okay. I'll show you. This user challenged someone, okay, with 999 peeps, and the opponent has to pay 1000. If you accept, basically if you win, you will get 999 pips. If you lose, you will lose 1101. What? Why did the? Okay, sorry. And by the way, this is another fun and easy way to earn peeps. Okay, you can clearly see that these guys are not joking. They are putting a lot of peeps in these challenges, so it's pretty challenging, to be honest. It's pretty challenging. The last way to earn peeps is by donations, okay? Because on this website, if you have peeps, you can donate peeps, okay? And you can also get donations. So for instance, I remember when I first joined Fruitlab, there was a contest going on, and it was for 500,000 of peeps, okay? It was a lot of peeps. And basically what I had to do is I had to follow other people, and that was all, to be honest, and comment their videos. When you did this, you were in a list they randomly choose the winner, and I won 500,000 of pips. So you can actually earn pips in many ways. You only have to be creative, okay guys? So this is free, this works 100%. Now I will show you how you are supposed to use pips, because we did not get there yet. Okay, basically there is the shop, okay? In the shop you can actually browse it just by scrolling and watching if there is something that you want. Let's say, hey, you want to play a game but you don't have money. Well, on this website you can, because let's try Warfare, okay? I don't have money to buy Call of Duty Modern Warfare. Okay, there's no problem. You only have to get this amount of pips. Once you have them, you click here, you buy them with your pips, and you get a code, a key code. That key code is basically used on the launcher you are using to play the game. Now let's get back to the battle pass stuff. How will you redeem your battle pass once you have enough pips to get your in-game currency? It is easy, and I will show you. For instance, I want Apex Legends battle pass, okay? So I write in Apex coins, okay, because that is how you get the battle pass in game, okay? You buy the currency, then you go in the game, and then you go and pay with the currency of the game, and you get the battle pass, okay? But I'm not explaining this because you should know that if you are watching this video. Okay, let's say I want to buy 6,700 Apex coins. Okay, I'd need, now I don't have enough, but I'd need 571,868 pips. Once I have those, I only have to click on purchase, then I have to confirm. Once I confirmed, I will have to wait until they send me email. On the registration you will add your email. They will send your new key that you will have to add in the launcher, okay? Now it doesn't actually work on Steam, so if you're playing Apex Legends from Steam you can't redeem by using Steam, but that's just because you can actually buy Apex coins only on Origin. If you could on Steam, then you would be able to do this also on Steam. Okay, now once you are here in the launcher, you only have to click on Origin and then redeem code. Okay, now it's in Italian, so don't mind if there is different language on my computer. Once you have the code, you only have to type it, okay? You have to type the code. Once you type the code, you click next, and you proceed to get your currency. Then you go in the game and you buy the battle pass. Easy peasy, lemon squeeze, guys. There's nothing more easy than this, okay? It's easy, it's free, and it will only take your time, okay? You waste your time by playing games. Why would you not waste time to play games and earn without losing anything, basically? Why wouldn't you? So this is it for the video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please leave a like, consider to subscribe to my channel for more, and I'll see you later, guys.